Greetings, brothers, sisters, friends, and foes. It's Bill from Agape on the Streets with another Nomad build-out video as we're getting ready to hit the road to Quartzsite here in about a month. We want to show you our power supply build-out. These things go for a couple $1,000 and up. When you find stuff with this high quality of parts, we just want to show you what we can do as we help people, help families out there living nomadically. So a real quick video of the little power box that I had just built. It's got the full metering on it. It's got all the USB outputs. Also has 50 amps on 12 volt cigarette lighter type plug. Here's your AC out. Got a 600 watt pure sine inverter. This is the way you turn your inverter on. It's got the switch right here in the front. It's got a 50 amp Anderson that can be input and output. It's fused inside. Actually, it's got a breaker, self-resetting breaker on it, so you can use that to charge this with solar panels. You can take 50 amps out of it. Show you the inside here real quick. So this thing has got a 50 amp hour lithium ion battery. It's got high temperature and low temperature protection, so you can use this in the freezing cold. You won't hurt it. And right now you can see I'm charging the battery. I have it plugged in. I could take the load off, and then that just shows the switch works. But there's a self-resetting breaker on the top to protect the battery. You got the power inverter. You got a light. It's a real high power light on there, and all the neat little stuff here that's set up on it. You can take this thing out in the rain. It shouldn't hurt it. It's all sealed up pretty well. I worked with it for heat and stuff, and there's no issue. If you were to have this right in the direct sunlight, pulling full tilt boogie out of the inverter, I would probably open it. I'm still thinking about, if I want to stick a fan right here and I can put a thermal sensor on there and stuff, but I want to do it to where it's not going to leak water. So if I want to use it in the rain, it's not a problem. As we serve God nomadically, we want to do so with excellence. Very high quality parts, the very low THD power inverter there, USB, high power charging, type C. Try to do everything top notch. I fell in love with these Anderson connectors because they work very well, living off grid, high power transfer rates. Hey, we want to bless you. Get a hold of us. Go to our website, agapeonthestreets.com.